In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect help desk tools with VoIP or call centers. If you've been struggling with integrating these systems, stick around because I'll walk you through the process in just a few minutes, and by the end you'll know exactly how to make them work together seamlessly. To start, let's break down what we're doing here. We want to connect your help desk tools with your VoIP or call center system. The goal is to streamline customer support, making it easier to manage calls, tickets, and chat messages all in one place. This integration not only saves time but improves efficiency, giving your support team a single platform to handle everything. First, you need to check whether your help desk software supports integrations with VoIP systems. Most modern help desk tools like Zendesk, Freshdesk, or our recommended software will have built-in integrations or third-party apps available. To get started, head to the integration section of your help desk platform and look for the VoIP or call center options. Once you find it, the next step is to select your VoIP provider. If you're using a service like RingCentral, Twilio, or Zoom Phone, you'll typically find them listed in your help desk's integration options. If your provider isn't listed, don't worry. You can often use APIs to connect them manually. APIs allow you to link your help desk tool with your VoIP system by transferring data like customer info, call logs, and more. Now, let's get into the actual setup. Once you've chosen your VoIP provider, simply follow the prompts to authorize the integration. You'll likely need to sign into both platforms and grant permissions for them to exchange data. This may include allowing your help desk software to access your call logs, customer profiles, and even trigger certain actions based on the outcome of a call. After authorizing the connection, you'll want to configure call routing rules. This is crucial for directing incoming calls to the right agent or department. For example, calls related to billing can be routed to the billing team, while technical support queries are sent to your tech team. Setting these rules up will ensure that calls are handled by the right people from the get-go. At this point, your help desk tool and VoIP system should be fully connected. You can now see your incoming calls pop up within the help desk interface, create tickets directly from the call, and even use features like screen sharing or call recording, depending on your VoIP provider. This integration will help your agents have all the necessary information at their fingertips, making it easier for them to resolve issues quickly and efficiently. If you want to follow along with this exact process, the software we're using in this video is available with an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel. Check the link in the description below to get started. The key takeaway here is simple. Connecting your help desk tools with VoIP or call centers is all about simplifying your workflow and enhancing customer support. Once you've set up this integration, your support team will have everything they need to manage calls and tickets in one place. To recap, here's what you need to do. 1. Ensure your help desk software supports VoIP or call center integrations. 2. Choose your VoIP provider and authorize the integration. 3. Configure your call routing rules to direct calls to the right team. 4. Enjoy the improved efficiency of handling everything from one platform. Don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description if you want to try out the software we've used today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.